another travel vlog. Today, we are flying back again to Bangkok, Thailand. At ito yung mga kasama natin. Good morning!
And the seniors. And the seniors.
Ayan,
And the
yung iba.
seniors over there.
We're boarding already. We're flying via Cebu Pacific again. Time check, it's 6:45. Our flight is at 7:15. So, board muna kami and we'll see you in Bangkok. Bye! At dahil Valentine's Day weekend, may pa-surprise tayo kay V. Hindi niya alam na favorite person niya ang pilot ng aming flight ngayon. So tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging reaction niya kapag nakita niya kung sino ang piloto namin.
Oh, hello, you're the pilot. How are you?
Who's the pilot? Who's the pilot?
How are you? Hello.
Hi! Hello!
I was thinking that you're the pilot. I was like telling him, I hope it's Ali.
Yeah.
Surprise! Yari! Surprise! You know already, I hate you guys.
I know.
I hate you guys. I'm so happy.
We're here. Tingnan natin kung may goodbye kiss na magaganap.
Hello.
I'll include you in my vlog, okay?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you,
Hello.
Captain.
Thank you so much.
Bye! Bye! Thank you!
Enjoy.
Thank you! See you!
See you. See you.
Enjoy po. Bye-bye.
Dalagang Pilipina. Kompleto na ang iyong Bangkok flight. Nandito na kami sa Thailand actually. We just landed. Time check, it's almost 10 a.m. We will go to the immigration first, so don't forget to fill up your Thailand immigration online. They already have an online immigration form. Just be careful of scammer sites because may mga sites na naniningil when you fill up the immigration, so that's the wrong site. So again, remember that Thailand immigration is free of charge. So we'll see you later. Mag-immigration muna kami. Hello! We're already here at our airport transfer. Ayan na sila. Hi! Ito yung van na contact nila Ate Thea noon pa. So it's the same van that we used for this trip. Anyway, first order of business here in Bangkok, we're going to have lunch at The Bubble in the Forest. Ayan, yung Facebook page nila. It looks so nice. So, I'm also excited to see it. Tignan natin kung anong itsura niya. Let's go! We're going in. Tignan natin kung anong itsura nitong Bubble in the Forest. At nagbiyahe kami ng 1 oras para dito. Wow! Look at that! We have to take off our shoes here in this area. Oh, so that's our special spot. Di naman tayo malalaglag dyan. Nice. Nandito na kami. This is our area. Ayan. So, sa floor, nakaupo. May mga bean bags for pillows. Tapos, pwedeng umupo dito sa net. Antayin natin mahulog si Angel.
Reset ka.
Pwede pala mahiga dito sa net.
Eric.
Tingnan natin kung kamusta yung food kasi gutom na kaming lahat. It's 12:20 p.m. already.
Man,
This is their menu.
sabi mo one more coconut.
Ayan yung mga food options nila. Not bad naman yung price. It's just the same din sa mga restaurants sa city. For comparison, ayan, yung shrimp pad thai nila is 189 baht. There, yan yung mga menu nila. And the drinks. Yan. So, tingnan natin kung kamusta din yung food. Ito na yung food namin. In fairness, ang bilis. Parang hindi man lang kami nag-antay ng 5 minutes. Mabilis nga yung food. Ayan. Pero, maliit lang pala yung serving. This is 1 order of rice. Parang good for 1 lang siya. And that's the pad thai. Oh, so may process pala yung quail egg. What's that, oil? Oh, so we just cook it there. You don't cover it. Do you cover? Ah, so you cover the egg. So fried egg lang siya.
Yeah,
Okay. Ayan o, napiprito na yung itlog sa kanya. Pinahirapan lang tayo magluto ng quail egg, ano? Ito din yung sibas. Aantayin lang natin kumulo. Meron din siyang uling sa ilalim. Kain muna kami because we're all hungry already. In fairness, masarap lahat ng food. Masarap yung pad thai, masarap yung fried rice.
Kasi pag di masarap, I'm sure sisisihin ako hanggang mamaya.
Hindi namin sasakalin si Ate Thea.
Wala siyang milk tea.
Wala siyang milk tea. Kasi 1 hour travel time from the airport. Eh, gutom na kaming lahat. Chicken wings. Fresh coconut. The coconut juice here in Thailand is really good. Parang kahit saan ka mag-order ng coconut drink, it's good. At least this is a different experience for us in this trip. Thank you, Ate Thea.
No, I'm gonna give you a different experience for this trip.
Wow! Tapos na kaming kumain. Saktong-sakto yung order namin.
Walang tira.
Yeah, ubos. Simot sarap, malinis. Magkano yung bill natin?
4,700.
So, lahat ng kinain namin is 4,700 baht. Not bad na kasi ang dami naming in-order and we are 7 people. Good experience here at Bubble in the Forest. Hello! Eto na, we're back in the van. We're done with lunch. Kumusta, everyone? Sulit, sulit.
Solid.
When you visit Bangkok, don't miss this place. It's so good.
Yeah. It's nice, kahit na malayo siya. Bubble in the Forest. Okay, so pabalik na kami sa hotel. Ngayon pala kami mag-check-in. According sa Waze ni Kuya Driver, our travel time to the hotel is 1 hour and 7 minutes. Ganun siya kalayo. Anyway, we'll see you later at the hotel. See ya!
Hindi mo namin kinain pad thai.
We're already here at our hotel. Here, it's Mercure Hotel. We are at the Sukhumvit area. Beside the hotel, meron ding 7-Eleven. So, easy access. If you need something, nandyan lang sa 7-Eleven sa tabi. And there's also ATM machines here sa ground floor. Ayan. Yung mga ATM machines over there. And that is the Ibis entrance. Pakita ko sa inyo yung aming hotel lobby. There's a coffee shop over here. And this is the lobby of Mercure. Yan. Yung kalahati ng group namin sa Ibis sila nag-book. Kami, nandito kami sa Mercure Hotel. Anyway, this is our first time here, so let's see also how the room looks like and how the hotel is because for the past 2 times that we were here in Bangkok, we were both staying at Asia Hotel. So, tingnan naman natin kung kamusta dito kay Mercure Hotel. There it is. Oh, it looks nice. Simple. There's the bed. There's a phone beside it. There are sockets beside the bed as well. There's just the sofa over there. And a table over here. Here's the TV. Here's the mini bar with water. Libre ba to? Complimentary 2 bottles of water. So, ito yung complimentary. The Evian is not free. There. And the mini ref over here. May patungan. So, yung cabinet niya open. Walang pinto. There's a safe here. May ironing board. Ayan. O, yung mga amenities nandito. Shower cap and dental kit. Nasa labas ng banyo. There's the safe. And here's the bathroom. Hi! Kita ka from the bed. There's the shower area. Meron din namang shampoo and body wash. Here's the sink. Hello. Ayan. Meron lang siyang hand soap, towels, and here's the toilet. At least may bidet. It's a very simple, as in, ito na siya. That's it. There. And the bathroom over there. But it looks clean. Wala lang mga bathrobe. There's no slippers. Yung mga ganon. We got this room nga pala through Agoda. And the total price that we got it for 3 nights is 26,010 pesos. So it comes out to 8,670 pesos per night. Yun yung price niya. So for now, we will just take a rest first. Wala pa kaming mga tulog. Time check, it's 3:30 p.m. I think our meeting time later will be 7 p.m. for dinner na lang. Doon na lang kami magkikita-kita ulit. So, see ya! Hello! We're already here at M. Quartier. This is the mall across our hotel lang. So, ito pala yung area na malapit sa hotel namin. So, we're supposed to eat dinner at Kubkaw Kubpla. It's 6 p.m. So, titingnan namin, sana walang pila because they don't accept reservations apparently for dinner time. At ngayon pa lang parang puno na siya. Yan, kay Kubkaw Kubpla. Nandito pala kami sa 6th floor. This is called the Helix. Papakita ko lang sa inyo kasi nakakaaliw yung architecture ng mall. It's called the Helix kasi pag naglakad ka, paikot lang siya ng paikot. Yan. Until you end up in a different floor. Paakyat lang siya ng paakyat. Nice. May table na kami. Ayan na. This is our first time to try this restaurant also. So, tingnan natin. Meron na kaming mga in-order na pagkain. At dinesisyon na niya na yung drink namin. Ang sabi niya, ang masarap dito si Longan Iced Tea. So, let's try that. Shout out, Tita Purita! Favorite mo daw tong Longan Iced Tea dito. We will try. Oh, so here is the Longan Iced Tea that Ate Thea is so proud of. So, let's see. Ayan.
Yung blend for day 1.
There. Tikman natin. Oh, sabi nila masarap daw. Para siyang gulaman na may pandan na pero longgan yung taste. Yeah. It is good. It is good.
My favorite.
Masarap din yung longgan.
Masarap nga yung longgan.
Actually, pwede na siyang dessert mamaya. This is good.
This is very good.
Yeah. Very good. Kung naririnig niyo si George, it's very good. But anyway, nandito na yung mga pagkain namin. Ayan. This is the papaya salad. The chicken pandan. This is the pad see ew.
Wow.
Here's the tom yum. And this is the coconut with chicken something. Ayan. And this is also our fish with tamarind sauce. That looks good. Ayan na ang aming pagkain. Subukan natin yung papaya salad. Nako, sana hindi maanghang. Masarap din yung papaya salad. And then, this time we got pad see ew because during lunch we got pad thai. Ayan naman si pad see ew namin. Sarap si pad see ew ah. Si chicken pandan din. Oo nga eh. Ang liit na chicken pandan eh.
Parang ang dami na.
Sarap din si chicken pandan. How's everyone enjoying? Yeah? Sarap? We'll enjoy our dinner first. Hello! We're done eating already. Ayan. Bill reveal. Kasi nga hindi namin alam kung magkano yung mga pinag-order namin. Ang total bill namin is 4,070 baht. Yung kinain namin dito. Mas mura pa yung bill namin ngayon. Pero kasi, yung kanina, tigi-tigisa kami ng fried rice. Kaya medyo mas mahal yung bill namin. 125 baht si Longan iced tea. Yun yung presyo niya. Anyway, it was really a good dinner, so we're done eating. Hello, nandito na kami sa hotel. Apparently, si Ibis pala is the same building. Akala nga namin kabilang hotel. So, it's in the same building pala as Mercure Hotel. Ibang floor lang sila, yung lower floors. So, nandito kami sa 12th floor. Ito yung room nila. Silipin natin kung anong itsura ni Ibis. There!
Magulo ah.
Okay. So, this is the room of Ibis. Ganito siya kalaki. Para siyang hotel sa Japan. Yeah.
Pero mas slightly. Yeah.
Yan, sinilip namin, nangapit bahay kami. In fairness, may pajama ba to o pajama nyo to? Ay, sorry pala. Sorry po, akala ko may papajama ang hotel. Kay V pala yan. And this is the restroom. Yan. So, nakigulo lang kami sa kanila para lang makita natin kung ano naman ang itsura ni Ibis Hotel dito sa Bangkok. Anyway, I think we're going to end our day 1 here. It's already 9:30 p.m. at pagod na nga kami. So, good night everybody. We'll see you again tomorrow. Good night.